today I will show you a little bit what you can do in a day in Xi'an. There are just too many people, but let's get into it. The first one being the drum tower. So behind me is the drum itself, and the entrance fee ticket costs 35 yuan, which you will get this type of ticket. It gained its name for huge drums, which is this one, laid in the tower to tell the time. The tower is mixed structure of bricks and wood. The square shape base occupies an area of 1840 square meters and 34 meters high with the classical style of Ming architecture. The drum tower itself is bigger than the bell tower that we're going to see. Why the drum is one of the very important things from ancient history, because the sound of a drum spreads very loud and far, and so it was used by the Chinese army back then to actually cheer on ancient times. The second being the bell tower. So this is the bell tower. To get to the bell tower, you have to pay 35 kuai. And you will get this type of ticket. So the bell tower was built in the 17th year of Hongwu of Ming dynasty, and it gained its name for a huge bell hung in the tower to tell the time. The tower is mixed structure of bricks and wood. The square shape base occupies an area of 1,370 square meters and is 36 meters high with the classical style of Ming architecture. So it has undergone many repairs after 1949, but now it is an important historical unit under the national government protection. Definitely it's a very important part of Xi'an, and it's actually one of the crucial part if you want to know how to direct yourself throughout Xi'an, because from this area you can tell the north, the south, the west, and the east. It's amazing that this tower has been experiencing several time of rebuilding and then renovation and things like that, and especially after 1950 due to Cultural Revolution. This tower alone has been standing here for over 600 years. Just behind the drum tower, you'll find the Muslim street food. Now we are going to the Xi'an Mosque, and to go to the Xi'an Mosque you need to go to a small hallway like this, which has plenty of sellers. So if you're looking for souvenirs, postcards, I think it's just the perfect place to go to. And they also have a similar thing at the Muslim street food. We are currently at the Xi'an Great Mosque. So if you're a Muslim, you don't have to purchase a ticket which costs 15 yuan. But if you're not, then you have to buy just an entrance ticket. Beautiful architecture. If you are tired after wandering around and visiting a mosque, there's definitely food just at the entrance of the gate that you can easily find every single thing that you would like to eat. Until night, guys, look at the lights. It's super beautiful. It's super nice just to hang around the drum tower and the bell tower at night. It's so beautiful at night. Look at that. Oh my god, with all the lights, it's so pretty. You definitely have to cycle around Xi'an at night. It's just so beautiful with all the lights. This is the city wall. It's already closed, sadly, but it says that from May 1 to October they will open from 8 AM in the morning until 7 PM at night, while from November 1 to April 30th of the following year they will open from 8 to 6 PM in the morning. guys, that's pretty much about it for today. That was pretty much a day in Xi'an video. I hope that you find this video to be helpful. See you next time. Bye bye. What? Happy New Year!